Hi everybody, my name is Catherine Lorena and this is a tutorial video about American Chopper Mini Generator. This is a Web 2.0 which enhances students' critical thinking. Also, it is used to introduce new vocabulary and also new topics. And finally, it is used to increase students' motivation because memes are very popular in students. So let's start. We are going to open our favorite Internet Explorer and we are going to type American Chopper Mini Generator. So we choose the first option and this is how this page looks like. It has some examples and also general information about the page. And here we have, in the top we have some templates we can use to create our minis. For example, we can choose this one and we add the text here. For example, we can correct students' spelling or pronunciation mistakes, which one of the most typical is that the students pronounce homeworks, and this first text appears here, and so we are going to correct it here. Yep, and so we have the meme here. Also, we can generate customize our meme, so we can earn some money. Also, we have here the option to generate the meme. And we can share it with our social networks such as Facebook, Pinterest, or Gmail, etc. We can share it with our students or with a group of people in general. And we select this one and we are going to share with Facebook. So this is how we publish it on Facebook. So now my classmate Edison Cocha is going to introduce a little more about this.
Hello, good morning to everyone. My name is Edison and I'm going to explain some benefits. As my classmate Catherine says, most students already have been making apps on their phones, but some students found a few websites online to create their submissions. For the reason, I'm going to explain some benefits of this technological tool. Also, why it's important to take care with this app with the students. First, I'm going to explain the benefits. For example, to create class rules. Make a memes for each rule and post them in a classroom. Also, learn new vocabulary. Students can create names to define the use this new word and create a new vocabulary. Furthermore, emphasize an historical event. The teachers and the students can import an image into a meme creation program and make their own memes with any subtitles or making a new phrase during this project or meme. And finally, the last benefit that I can found during this tutorial is the teachers can use the memes for ice break for a lesson. Teachers can create memes as a simple way to start a lesson with a laugh and improving the environment between the teacher and students. And finally, they can analyze and express their own message during the class. It's important to mention that the meme creation programs shows that another users' creations but some students were able to create these memes without any guidance. For the reason it's important to select what programs they can use and the risk that they can found. In conclusion, students can communicate clearly and display extensive ideas in a creatively way for a variety of purposes using platforms, tools, stylist networks, and different formats or digital media with the object they can achieve their goals during the learning process.